What's up, you guys? It is officially my favorite time of the year. Fall is here, and you know that I'm an October baby, so it all makes sense. I am excited to show you my go-to fall look. Me and Israel are actually on a little romantic getaway, and he went to go grab us coffees, so I've got to get this done pretty quickly. Here we go. Okay, so I've already moisturized my skin. I am prepped and ready to go. Guys, I have a new obsession. It is this Fenty brush. As you can see, it's got some stuff on it because I've been using it nonstop. But you know how I normally used to put my foundation on with my beauty blender? Switching it up, people, switching it up. I now apply my foundation with this brush, and then I go in for concealer and any little things that I need to touch up with my beauty blender. Also, my colors have changed because obviously I lost that amazing tan that I had going on this summer poolside in LA. She's pale again. Pale Adrienne is back, people. Okay, so I am going to use this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I am using the color 7.5. So I'm gonna do 2 squirts on here, and let's go in. I'm actually really excited about my little outfit today. If you are ever going to wear a turtleneck, which is pretty much my fall and winter uniform, I wear turtlenecks almost every single day, preferably black. I'll go to other colors, but black is where it's at. Yo, you have to put your turtleneck on first before doing your makeup. There is nothing worse, especially if you don't have somebody to help you get ready. Like if you don't have Lana, Grace, Ray, Israel, and the entire glam squad to help you hold the neck open, fam, put your turtleneck on first.
Let's show them how we used to do it until we learned the genius trick. Everybody holding an angle. Kirk the sound man, and we'd be like, it was like a baby coming out the birth canal. Oh, oh.
So now that we are one color, nice and luminous, now we are going in with our contour. You guys are gonna be shocked. I've also switched up my contour. Even though I'm not gonna front, I still got 3 sticks of the same color in my makeup kit, and that is the Cocoa Stick Foundation from Anastasia. But I have lately been using the KKW Beauty 14 Conceal as my, guys, I actually think I shouldn't have put this much. I could have been just fine with 1. So let me lighten it up a bit with my moist. Do you guys hate the word moist? Okay, from there, we are going in with this contour. It's a concealer, but I'm using it as my contour, and I'm just gonna put a little bit up top. And then of course the 2 lines down my nose, my bootleg nose job, AKA contour. And now we're gonna still use this same brush. I told you this brush is everything. Watching the time, people. I have to be ready in exactly 20 minutes. That looks amazing. If you feel like you're doing too much, just go in with your beauty blender. Now my nose. And we're gonna go right up to the bridge of my nose, almost leading right up to my brow, just like that. Boom. Now you always wanna make sure that this part is a little bit lighter in the middle, right here. Boom. Now we are going to do a little bit of concealer. I am going in with Tarte Medium Tan Sand. That's my little praise man. I will never forget Israel calling that my praise worshiper, right there. And every day that I do it on my forehead, I think about that. Guys, the technique for doing your under eyes with concealer, I truly do believe, is you gotta look up. You gotta look up. Look up to the skies. You don't wanna cause creases under your eyes. That rhymed. Look up to the sky. You don't wanna cause creases under your eyes. You felt that? Now, if you feel like you just made your contour disappear like I just did, you're just gonna lightly go back in. Super light all the way on the corners, like not far up this way. Keep it higher up, and you're literally just gonna blend a little bit right there. Now we're gonna do our brows. Okay, Back with my Ben Nye Luxury powder in the color, guys, I think it's banana color. It's literally all gone at this point, but I'm pretty sure the color is banana because we all call it banana powder. And I stole this lovely brush right here from my makeup artist, Ari. Technically, I didn't steal it. She knows I have it. She left it with me one time to touch myself up, and I just never gave it back. Ari, come get your brush. Come get your brush. Key to doing my brows personally, I have to run some powder over them. I have to mattify my brows before drawing them in because that's what makes sure that they stay all day. And now we'll draw in my brows. Hold, please. I am absolutely obsessed. As you can see, I have 3 of them in 3 different colors. The Fenty MVP, it's called Brow MVP. And what different colors do I have? This is the ash brown. This is light brown, which is one I mainly use. And this one is dark ash blonde. I'm gonna go with the ash brown. Maybe this is the one I do normally use. And I need a close-up mirror for this because my eyebrows has to be very precise. So I'm going to take out this brow kit from Reema. Wow, you can see all my fingerprints there. Hey girl, hey. Hi. And I love that this little kit comes with this tiny spoolie. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up. And this is the really boring part of doing my makeup because it's me being quiet, focused, and being concentrada. Comment below if you feel like the hardest part of doing your makeup is your brows. Because for me, that's definitely like what I think takes the longest because it's the only time that I'm actually like focused. What I love about this color is that it's so light, but it gives a perfect shape. And nobody wants Sharpie eyebrows. No one wants black eyebrows. Then after I fill them in, like so, I'm now going to add some powder. Oh, please. Don't be acting up. Stay slick. I'm gonna add this dark color brow up here. And again, this is called Brow Bar by Reema, and it's a kit in the color light. I'm just gonna fill it in just a little bit more, just to make it just a little darker, but again, nothing crazy, see? Layers, people, layers. You don't wanna just throw straight black Sharpie on your eyebrows. No insult to Sharpie, but I'm sure that's not how they intended you to use their product. Okay, then I'm gonna get this little brush that I'm obsessed with. That, y'all, I swear I've had this brush for years. It's actually like a flat concealer brush, but I use it for this. This is like almost like a really light foundation, and I'm just gonna go under my brows to define them. Like so, like that. Just to clean them up and give them an extra sculpted shape. You also can put a little bit on top too. Boom. Next, we are going to do, of course, boy brow. I'm never cheating on boy brow. Glossier's boy brow, and we are going to brush my brows up like so. Give that feather look that is so on trend right now. If your eyebrows don't look a little bushy, you ain't popping. Boom. I almost like to almost brush them in the opposite direction so that they can look even bushier. So even though your brow's supposed to go that way, I brush them this way so that I can really get that like bushy brow effect. This is the quickest eyeshadow you'll ever see. Oh my God, I literally have to be ready in 7 minutes. We are using Fenty. The Fenty Snap Shadows palette #1. And the color that I'm really gonna go in with is this one, but I'm using both of these colors. Nookie Rookie and Come Get It. Okay, and these are the 3 brushes that I am going to use. It's going to be this one to smoke under a bit with the Come Get It. This is going to be my base, and this is gonna be my crease. Does that make sense? I hope so. Again, you guys, I have like 5 minutes to be ready. Okay, so I'm going to white out my eye like that. White out this eye like this. Everywhere, all over your eyes. Like that. Then you're going to go in your crease with this color, this orangey, and I just go from the corner of my eye and I just bring it over like so. You're pretty much finding that spot where your eye goes back into the socket. I'm just gonna lay that powder right in there like that. Boom. I am obsessed with this entire palette though. This one and number 5 are my favorites. These are all the fall colors that I am obsessed with right now. Love this. This is palette number 1. And this is Snap Shadow palette number 5. These are my 2 favorites. These are my fall must-haves. And for me, I just drag it out a little bit on the sides to give the illusion that I have longer eyes. And then we're gonna use this same color. We're gonna dust the bottom of my lashes, like just like right under the bottom row, my bottom lashes. We're just gonna smoke it out a little bit like this. And now it is time for liner. Oh, please. The liner we are using is, for the fall, I am in love with brown eyeliner. Don't look at what I have on. I still have my pajama pants on at the bottom, turtleneck on, because you know, I didn't wanna go over. But guys, this Fenty Beauty, I'm using a lot of Fenty Beauty. I really love their stuff. And this one is in the color Big Truffle, and it's brown. So we are gonna do a winged liner with brown liner. And guys, I love a good brown winged line because it's not as harsh as black, but it gives the same effect. It's just a softer version and it's perfect for the fall. And I'm wearing black and I still want brown liner. If you want an amazing black liner though, a liquid one, oh, this one from L'Oreal, it even has the thing on the side for you to go like this, to die for. They need to do this in brown. I need to find out if they have it in brown. If they do, I need it. I am officially late. Try to get your liner as close to your lashes as possible, like pull down as much as you can. Boom, boom, done quickly. I know this is out of order, but I always put my lip liner on right after I do my eyeliner. Not sure what that's about. This is literally my go-to lip color lately. It is this Laura Mercier lip color in Hazelnut Tea. Oh, watch guys. And you know I totally overline with it, so. Here we go. The alternative to lip injections, just overline your lips, people. And then I go in with this color. Yo, how much have I worn this out? And this is the KKW Lip Crayon. I'm like, yo, them letters, those, my vision was struggling right there. And I'm gonna fill it in. I like that it's not matte, but it's like a lipstick and it's not extra glossy. Okay, now we are going to pop on some lashes. Hold please, because I need to contour my nose a little bit more. Guys, I literally have to do a podcast, so I'm gonna do that and finish my makeup because this is real life.
She commented on something.
That is so awesome.
And I do this for every meeting that I have, so it's forced everyone to have to do this.
So I'm doing my contour with this KKW X Allison Face Palette Tower Lane, and I use the Family Bronzer as my nose contour. I also can use it to go over here and down. Sounds weird, but I do that all the time. Boom. Okay, then from there, oh, that's not true. I still need this palette because that's my blush. And I use this brush right here to lightly dust, like so. And then I got these brows from ROKAEL Beauty. You know, ROKAEL is my favorite makeup artist. And guys, I've just been putting them on this Ardell rack because I love them so much and I've been reusing them and re-wearing them. And they're those type of lashes that you invest in and you just absolutely love. So that's what I've been doing. And guys, I also even switched up. Yo, I'm switching a lot of things up, people. What? A different glue? Next level. This is the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe, and it's by Kiss, and it's in the color black. So just gonna pop these babies on, and your girl is good to go. What a difference, right? Literally, lashes bring my whole face to life. My whole face. Lash on, life changed. I also add this just at the very end. This is Poppy Girl Nudie Bloom. Oh, Nudie Sticks. Okay, this is by Nudie Sticks. Nudies Bloom all over dewy color. And this is in the color Poppy Girl. And I'll just put just a little pop on my cheeks. Like that. And then it takes away the matte effect so that I still look dewy. I like to look dewy everywhere but here. That's not cute. About to pop this lash on. I probably should do mascara, but I don't even know if I have time. I might just do a little bit on the bottom. 3, 2, ready? And if I use mascara, you guys know that I've been using that Grande Lash on my lashes. I got the mascara too, boom. So even while I'm doing my makeup and I have fake lashes on, oh baby, we're still working on them lashes underneath. My man is gonna be here in just a second. I gotta jump on this little podcast. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is my fall go-to. It almost looks like Nutmeg Magic. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah. Love you.